Robin Russell. Is Robin Russell newly added to the virtual courtroom, or is she
I'm here, Your Honor.
playing someone else's name?
Oh, I brought out the wrong person, Your Honor. One moment, Ms. Russell. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are resuming the docket back on the live stream. I am Judge Miriam Martin Clark presiding, and the court is calling case number 194703501, Clinton Columbus Dildy. Clinton Columbus Dildy, the charge is no operator's license on person. Mr. Dildy, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Clinton Columbus Dildy Jr. III.
Thank you, sir. And the court is also calling is Patricia Rice, case number SP 114-59601. Patricia Ann Rice, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ms. Rice, this is the date and time for trial. If you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, she's not come out of the breakout room yet. I've been trying to bring her out. She's still in there.
Oh, all right. Mr. Dildy, the court neglected to say that your matter is also scheduled for trial today. Who is representing Mr. Dildy?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tillmander Wilkerson, P81003, on behalf of Mr. Dildy. Your Honor, this matter was set for trial today at 8:30 a.m. It is now 9:52 a.m. and I don't believe the complaining officer, Officer Eric Hollis, is present. Defense would move for dismissal of this matter.
And that motion is granted. Mr. Dildy, your matter is dismissed. That dismissal is without prejudice for lack of a complaining witness. That means the people may bring it again, sir. The court is merely dismissing it because the officer failed to appear. Mr. Dildy, do you have any questions?
Just trying to see, is it possible for me to get my license back under these circumstances?
Madam Clerk, does Mr. Dildy have a mandatory reinstatement fee that you can see?
Yes, there is a clearance fee on this matter.
Okay, so Mr. Dildy, what that means is that even when matters are dismissed on certain charges, the Secretary of State requires a mandatory $45 reinstatement fee before your license can be reinstated. So yours does require that. Yes, ma'am.
He does have a $200 bond that can be applied.
Okay, great. Thank you. We can apply your bond, Mr. Dildy, and refund the remainder to you by mail. So that would be $45 from your $200 bond. And then the remainder of that will be returned to you by mail at the address that you gave when you posted the bond. Is that still your address?
1022 Greenwood Ave, Jackson, Michigan.
Is that what you have?
Yes, I have the address, Your Honor.
Okay, sir. And if you have no other tickets in 36th District Court, okay, that resolves the matters for this court. If you don't have any in any other jurisdiction, you should be, okay then, you should be good to get your license reinstated, but only the Secretary of State office can tell you that for certain. So check with them, okay? Any other questions, sir?
That's it.
All right, you may disconnect. And I see Ms. Rice has joined us, Patricia Rice.
Yes,
Have a
ma'am.
great day.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Rice, can you connect with your video camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You mean you want to see me personally is how I do, okay, do I click on my picture?
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
There are
can you
video.
see where it says connect video? There you are, in the dark.
Okay, can you see me? Yes, ma'am. I'm disabled, so I'm laying down.
Oh, okay, all right. Ms. Rice, please say your name for the record.
Patricia Rice, R-I-C-E.
Thank you. And who's representing Ms. Rice? Ms. Wilkerson, your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Till Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Rice. Your Honor, this matter was set today for trial at 8:35 a.m. It is now 9:55 a.m. and I don't believe the complaining officer, last name ALGAHMI, is present at this time. We request dismissal of this matter.
All right, thank you. Ms. Rice,
Yes, ma'am.
charge was allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Today was the date and time for trial. The officer failed to appear. It looks like Officer Algami did not sign in today despite being notified to be here, and so we will dismiss this matter for lack
Yes,
of a complaining witness. That dismissal is without prejudice. It means the people may bring it again. The court is merely dismissing it because Officer Algami failed to appear. Any questions, Ms. Rice?
yes, ma'am. I had went to the precinct because I had reported my ID, Social Security, everything was stolen. And the officer was there who gave this person a ticket. And he said I wasn't the person who was driving the car. So they investigated some more and they have found out that they was trying to put the car in my name. The license, the car was in my name. And then I had to go to the Secretary of State. And when I went to the Secretary of State, they said the car wasn't in my name. So I went back to the precinct and they follow up and they said that they was gonna handle it. But the officer said it wasn't me who was driving the car.
Okay, I don't know how to resolve your issue. Ms. Wilkerson, did you talk to Ms. Rice?
I did. I
About
was
this
about to
matter?
explain it to her, Your Honor. So, Ms. Rice, according to what you said, the judge explained that these charges could be brought back up. However, if you've already spoken with the officer and he knows it wasn't you, there's a chance they won't bring these back. It's very likely that these charges won't come back up because they know they were not you. So at this time, they have been dismissed. You are not responsible for this ticket, and the court, has ordered that it's dismissed. So you are okay from here.
It
Yes,
sounds
ma'am.
like you did what you needed to do in terms of going to the Secretary of State. Do you have a car in your name, ma'am?
No,
You have a-
ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
okay. Well, I think the
But-
Secretary of State's office was the right place to go for that charge.
Yes, because the police told me to go there to find out why was this car in my name for her to know, because he was saying that she didn't have an ID, but she knew my license number by heart.
Okay, I don't know, that's strange. Is it someone you knew, Miss Rice?
No, I don't know who stole my identity, so I don't know who it was.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry that happened to you, but this matter is dismissed.
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. You may disconnect from the hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Would I receive a letter saying this is dismissed?
You will.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Thank you. Thank you. You may disconnect. And the court is calling Ms. Red, Jeanette Red, case number SP 122-36641. Jeanette Marie Red.
Good morning.
The charge is driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, that same ticket, defective or missing equipment. Ms. Red, this is the date and time for pretrial. In both matters, please say your name for the record.
Jeanette Red.
Thank you. Who's representing Ms. Red?
Good morning, Your Honor. Till Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Red. Your Honor, at this time, I have had a chance to speak with Ms. Red regarding these charges. And Ms. Red would like to set these matters for trial.
Thank you. Ms. Red, we will continue a not guilty plea for you. Your trial date is June 8th.
Okay,
June 8, 2022 at 8:30 in the morning.
okay,
It will be a Zoom connection. As of this date, it will be a Zoom connection. So the same way you dialed in today, you will dial in on June 8th. And Ms. Red, we will continue a personal bond for you. So you don't have to pay any money, but you must return on June 8th at 8:30 in the morning. Any questions, Ms. Red?
you said I had a personal bond?
Yes.
That means you don't pay any money. You're just, it's on your
Oh.
word that you will return to court.
Oh, I'm gonna return, ma'am. You ain't gotta worry about me.
All right.
Okay, I got it.
Especially since we made it easy, all you have to do is call in.
I would have came. It didn't matter. I would have showed. I'm gonna be there. Listen, I love my license. I gotta take care of 5-year-olds. So
All right, we'll
I
see
gotta-
you on June 8th.
you guys have a good day. Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Bye bye.
Anyone else ready for the live stream at this time?